Hey, what is up guys, Gurn here, and today we have another exciting unboxing for you. Last week we did the Blitzart board, the Hurricane. This week we're doing another electric board. This one is the Liftboard. So this here's the Liftboard. The reason I got the Liftboard, I actually returned the Blitzart. Some of the bolts underneath had popped off of the chassis for the battery. So sent that one back. The Blitzart, as I told you before, was a hub motor, which means the motor was inside the wheel. And those are actually a lot better for push kick after the battery dies. This here is the Liftboard. It is a belt driven single motor electric skateboard. That means it's gonna have a little bit more torque, a little more power, a little more oomph to get you up some hills, but it's not gonna be able to have that push kick alternative after your battery dies. And there we have the board. Okay, so this one is nice in the fact that it's a all black board, and I actually really like that. I'm kind of a matte black guy, so having an all black board is pretty cool. So this is actually really nice. The Blitzart didn't come with a tool, but this actually comes with a tool so that you can manage your trucks and things like that. That's really cool. So there we have the remote. Okay, there's our motion right there. There is the charger. Let's talk about some of the specs about the Liftboard. The belt is housed and protected right here, and this is your motor right here. On a full charge, that motor and this battery can get you 16 miles of distance. Now, the Blitzart couldn't handle hills at all, pretty much. They're saying that the Liftboard can handle a hill grade of about 15 degrees, which is pretty good. So hey, let's check it out and see what we think, huh? Out here on the GoPro again. The first thing I want to try is, can this Liftboard get me up this driveway? I don't know exactly how big of a incline this driveway is, but I know that the Blitzart couldn't handle it. So nope. So even the Liftboard has a hard time getting me up this driveway right here. If you have anything like this, okay, you need to have a dual motor system. This is only a single motor system. So dual motor if you have any big inclines that you need. Alright, so my thoughts on the Liftboard. I like it. Is it better than the Blitzart? Depends on what you're going for. It's the same exact price, $279. Entry-level electric skateboard, single motor, so it's nothing fancy for $279. It's belt driven, so you're gonna get more torque, more power. You're gonna be able to handle some hills, not some very steep ones, but 15-degree grade. The Blitzart probably couldn't even handle that, okay? With the Blitzart, you're getting a hub motor, so you're gonna be able to push kick, go back to that. You know, that's where you're actually kicking, you are pushing the board, not the electric battery. Once the battery dies, you're able to fall back on that. The Liftboard, you can't do that. Belt-driven boards, they don't have the ability to be pushed forward. That's the only drawback on the Liftboard. Its distance it can go on a full charge is greater than the Blitzart. So if you need an extra 5 miles, Liftboard might be the one for you. Huge thumbs up, I'm really liking it. I got my eyes on a couple other boards. The next one I'm gonna try out is a dual motor. I'm not sure when I'll be able to do that, but that is coming in the future. I do wanna give a big thank you at this point. I've been getting a lot of really good feedback from people who definitely have expressed their belief in me and in what we're doing here at Unbox Hysteria. So thank you so much. The best thing that you can do for me is share these videos with those that you think they'll be applicable to. So guys, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next one.